Hey, my name's Jack. I'm an artist from Sydney. This song is about going to a memorial of a friend at a dog park and having my friend's voice literally bring me to tears.
I was lining up the chasers. My mouth was filled with broken glass. Got caught up trying to erase it. At what cost? We were crying in the dog park. Your voice was so my open word. With gathering of friends and strangers the night knew. And I knew I had to back up, defrag my hard drive, and begin my life again.